In 1944, the world saw its first fighter jet, the Messerschmitt Me-262.
2 years earlier, America had its own jet, Lerming, the Bell P-59 Aerocomet. Then came the fifth-generation Calist, the F-22 Raptor, a fighter that combined speed, stealth, and supercruise capability.
This is the evolution of fighter jets, from the Me-262 to the sixth generation.
Brave pilots risked their lives to push these machines to the limits of human endurance.
This is the man who made it all possible, compute, Sir Frank Whittle, inventor of the jet engine. The dawn of the jet age saw the skies above Korea become the proving ground for a new kind of warfare.
In 1944, the world saw its first fighter jet, the Messerschmitt Me-262.
2 years earlier, America had its own jet, the Bell P-59 Aerocomet.
This is the man who made it all possible, Sir Frank Whittle, inventor of the jet engine.
By 1950, jets were no longer experimental, yet they were fighting wars in the skies over Korea.
In 1947, the Bell X-1 became the first jet to break the sound barrier, Mach 1.
In 1983, America unveiled the world's first stealth fighter, the F-117 Nighthawk.
Behind every great fighter jet are the engineers who dared to dream.
In the 1950s, jets evolved from dogfighters to precision strike platforms with air-to-air missiles. The F-117 Nighthawk proved that stealth could change the rules of modern warfare.
The fourth generation introduced fly-by-wire and multi-role capability with the F-16 Fighting Falcon.
The F-4 Phantom brought jet power to the oceans, launching from carriers around the world. In 1991, the F-117 proved its worth in Desert Storm, striking targets with pinpoint accuracy. The F-22 Raptor brought fifth-generation capabilities to the battlefield for the first time. It all started with a simple test, a jet engine on a stand, burning fuel and pushing the boundaries of what was possible.
The F-104 Starfighter was the first true supersonic interceptor, designed to fly faster and higher than anything before.
The F-4 Phantom was the first true multi-role fighter, capable of both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Then came the fifth generation, the F-22 Raptor. It combined speed, stealth, and supercruise in one package. It was built to dominate.
On October 14, 1947, Chuck Yeager became the first man to fly faster than the speed of sound in the Bell X-1.
This is the evolution of fighter jets. From the Me-262 to the sixth generation, each generation built to be faster and deadlier. That's it. The journey from the Me-262 to the sixth generation has been decades in the making. Now, we built the sixth generation to dominate the skies. It's the most advanced fighter jet ever created.
From the Me-262 to the sixth generation fighter, the evolution is astonishing.
From breaking the sound barrier to flying at Mach 2, speed has increased exponentially.
Stealth has evolved from angular designs to advanced composites that absorb radar completely.
Cockpits have transformed from analog dials to AI-powered holographic displays.
Weapons have moved from external racks to internal bays, preserving stealth and precision.
This is the future of aerial combat. We're flying what others can only imagine.
No radar can track it. No missile can catch it. This is the invisible jet.
No radar can track it. The jet simply disappears.
No missile can catch it. It's too fast, too agile. This is not science fiction. This is the sixth generation fighter jet.
The sixth-generation fighter jet is the most advanced aircraft ever built.
Now, we go inside the factory to see how these invisible warriors are built.
The sixth-generation fighter is powered by AI that processes data in milliseconds.
Real-time battlefield data is processed instantly, giving pilots an unmatched advantage.
They talk to each other, sharing targeting data in real time, without human intervention.
Enemy radar cannot lock on. The jet is invisible.
Target locked. Precision strike is imminent.
The AI integration is incredible. It's like having a co-pilot that never blinks.
This is what the sixth-generation fighter looks like from every angle.
Inside the jetette is a masterpiece of engineering. Engine, fuel system, avionics, and weapons bay.
Stealth material absorbs radar waves, making the jet invisible to enemy detection.
The AI processes real-time data, identifying and prioritizing multiple targets instantly.
The engine is the heart of the jet. In you, a turbofan that generates immense thrust. The technology is impressive, but it all starts on the factory floor. Carbon fiber composite material is light, strong, and radar absorbent. AI-guided robotic arms place each layer with precision.
Lasers cut the carbon fiber with micron precision, perfectly shaping each component.
Every weave is precise. Every layer is perfect. The foundation of the invisible jet.
AI-guided robots place each layer with millimeter precision.
Layer by layer, the jet's body takes shape, building strength and stealth.
Every layer is placed with micron precision. No mistakes are allowed.
The laser creates a perfect edge every time. Perfect edges are crucial for aerodynamic performance.
Every component is scanned and inspected for perfection.
Finished components move to final assembly, where the jet comes together. Human hands bring precision and care to every component. The production line moves with scale and speed, building the future of warfare. Every alignment is checked with precision tools to ensure a perfect fit.
Welding joins sections together, creating a single, unified structure.
Molten metal fuses the sections together with incredible strength. Surface smoothing gives the component its final flawless finish. The final finish gives the component its perfect surface. Each completed section is a masterpiece of precision engineering.
Building this jet is a challenge. Every part has to be perfect to the micron.
The engine is the heart of the jet. HEMMIX, complex and powerful.
Inside the combustion chamber, temperatures reach over 2,000 degrees Celsius.
Turbine blades are precision cast from advanced alloys that withstand extreme heat. Cooling channels inside the turbine blades prevent them from melting under extreme heat. The engine is tested to ensure it delivers maximum power and thrust.
The sixth-generation fighter flies at Mach 2, pushing the limits of speed.
The sixth-generation fighter is an unstoppable force in the skies.
The engine is an engineering masterpiece, precision, power, and performance.
The materials we're using are revolutionary. This carbon fiber composite absorbs radar like nothing else.
Every component is verified before it moves to the next stage. 100% verified. No shortcuts are taken in building the sixth-generation fighter.
Every fact is checked. Accuracy is guaranteed.
Behind every sixth-generation fighter is human effort, precision, dedication, and pride.
Precision strike capability gives the sixth-generation fighter unmatched lethality.
The missile streaks toward its target with pinpoint precision.
This changes everything. The sixth generation is a leap forward in aerial combat.
This will define the next 50 years of warfare. The sixth generation is unmatched.
Impact confirmed. The target is destroyed. Too fast to hit. Too invisible to track. The enemy can't stop it.
The sixth-generation fighter dominates the battlefield, securing sky supremacy.
Victorious. The sixth-generation fighter has proven its dominance.
The future is here. This jet will dominate the skies for decades to come.
Subscribe now and turn on the bell icon to never miss an upload.
Thank you for watching this video. This video is created using AI tools. Scripting, voice design, and animations are originally creations powered by Google AI Studio and Veo 3. No copyrighted footage is used. All videos are AI simulated for educational and informational purpose only.